She's so excited. Guys, we're hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Guys, we are hungry. Haven't eaten anything really much today. So we are going outside, walk around. Make a right. We're going outside, walking around, going up to a shopping mall that's across the street from the hotel to see if we can find some food to eat. Take you guys along for you guys to see what this area of Calgary looks like. So we're in the University District of Calgary. I think it's on the south side, correct me if I'm wrong. Southwest? Yeah. So, oh, that's nice. So we're just walking. Come on, guys. It smells, you know that flower smell? It has that. That's a pretty flower. Malika, come and look on the flowers as well.
Don't, Maria.
Let's go to the end and cross the road to the left.
You want your card?
Sure, you have more than pocket of it? Sure, man. Malika Jada have to hold. Come off the gravel, mama. Excited.
They're working over baby. December 26th.
Oh, yeah. Everybody's excited. We're trying to see if we can find some Asian restaurant, preferably, because we want food, and all the Jamaican restaurants are closed or almost closed, and we know that when they come to the end of the day, the food is kind of stale. So we're trying to find a restaurant that actually closed close to midnight, so you know the food is a little bit fresher. The time is now. What time is it, babes? Let me see. 7:28. Yeah, that's some kind of box are in. Holding hands with sister. So we're gonna cross. The shopping mall is. Excuse me, guys. Can we bug you a second? We're staying at the hotel right there. We're trying to find a good spot to get some food to eat. Where would you recommend we check?
We are not from here.
Holy moly! The mall is right here, right?
I don't know. It's the first time we just arrived.
Oh, so we're not alone. Okay. Okay. We'll wing it. Thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay. Yeah, the shopping mall is right there. Where CIBC is. So we're gonna go that way and then just get to the mall. Guys, we're open to be pointed in a direction to say, hey, try this or try that, but we'll freestyle. Oh, it's walk. Come on, Daddy's gonna lift you up quickly. We're not gonna be able to make it. Oh, we can. Guys, I have to lift up Malika to try and make it. Oh, we can make it. It don't start countdown yet, so we're good. Malika, I know you want to be independent, but walk on the inside of daddy, okay? When I made the turn, it's right over there, man. Shopping mall is right over there. When I made the turn to come right here, it showed me a shopping mall on the map, so I'm guessing it's right there. No, but that's where we turned, so it was right there across the street. I feel it, there's I feel it, it's right there. No, come on, no, we're gonna walk. That's the train track right here, guys, as you guys might have seen. Run, 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 run. Babe, slow down. I see a KFC, but we know KFC is trash. Here, at least. Malika, I have to hold your hands. How many years do you think it's gonna take for Grand Prairie to have a public passenger train? Ballpark nuts. 10 years, 20 years? Malia, look, the fire truck. We can continue going straight and then cross and then stop right to the right, I safe way. Come on, Nico. Malika, you're getting so heavy. Hey guys, so we ended up off the drive, so we went back to the hotel and did a quick drive downtown Calgary so we could find the food that we want, and plus the walk was getting a little bit difficult for Malika to complete. We were not expecting to be walking that long. We ended up walking for roughly 25 minutes, so we decided to just drive to our destination instead. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I really hope you guys enjoy this walk as much as we enjoy taking you guys along. If you did, please let us know by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and most importantly, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time guys, see you guys in the next video.
And maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it.